I'm Ricky.
Hey, I'm Haydn.
And we're going to show you some super easy DIY ways you can refresh your bathroom when you're on a budget.
All right. What do we got? A little bit nervous going into something. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. This is all right. Plenty of space. We both fit in here.
I was going to say, if you walk into a bathroom and two people are standing here,
it's all right.
like you can almost dance off in here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. All right.
Now that's better. I prefer it like this. Okay, so what do we do? We probably don't have to rip anything out, which is nice.
No.
I think it's just going to be all like probably painting, clean the grout at least.
Clean that, paint that. I think that'd be
probably the best thing that makes the biggest changes is like a simple hardware changeover.
Yep.
New towel rail.
Yep.
If we've got any room in the budget.
Yep.
Changing out some taps.
Tapware. Yeah.
It's my forte.
Mirror. Gotta do something about that mirror.
Bath.
Sweet. Maybe tapware again.
Is that a power box in the corner? What's with the
paint the wall? What's this? Oh.
Right. What is that? It's like a secret patch. Room? Oh, who's in there?
Laundry chute. We'll fix that up.
Paint, grout, clean, hardware changeover, towel rails, taps.
Paint the vanity.
Sweet.
Good to go.
I reckon we've lucked out.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so you take the stairs and I'll take the hatch. All right, mate.
All right, so
we've got a bad history for going to Bunnings, going for one or two things and coming out with half the shot.
I know, you can't spend too much time in here either.
I'll sort taps and cabinet.
All right, I'll get paint. Let's divide and conquer.
Sure, mate. Tell mate, I'm loving this range, the Mondella Resonance. Yep. I've got my shower taps, I've got my shower head. Do you have a basin set that would match the whole?
Absolutely.
The whole setup.
In the brush nickel range, the Resonance is the exact set that you need. Perfect,
mate. Now I've got the whole set. I reckon I'm pretty much ready to go.
I think you're ready to go.
Legend, mate. Thank you.
All good.
So we're painting a bathroom and a laundry. So I need to pick some paint. Where do I start?
Yeah, of course. So this product here is really great. It's got a moisture resistance in it, which means that when you put it on the wall or on the cabinets or anything like that, it won't peel. So we just want to be really mindful of moisture in these areas. So we've got to get a particular paint.
Perfect, sweet. Just need to choose some colours. Help me with that too?
Yeah, let's do it. Just down here.
Beautiful. Perfect, that's the one. Sweet, legend. Perfect.
So going with the sage, it's actually a very nice shade of sage. I think Haydn picked this one actually. So pretty easy to repurpose your old doors instead of throwing them out. Quick sand, fill any holes if there's any holes you need to fill, sand it back, paint it, brand new. Anyone can do that. You don't need a qualification to sand back and clean up some old doors. Looks one coat looks $1 million. So I'll let that dry and then give it another coat. So if you're just getting started in a DIY, the easiest thing you can do is just grab your paintbrush and a roller and a fresh coat of paint. It'll transform a space. It'll breathe some new life into an old room. It's as easy as that. Just some paint, tin of paint, roll it on, job done. New space. One of the first things that me and Haydn noticed when we entered this bathroom was the discoloured grout in between the tiles. Now, removing grout and tiles is a big expensive job you don't want to do. A little bit of a trick when you want to recolour your grout, give a new life to the grout in between your tiles, as this fella right here. Really easy to apply. All you got to do, clean your tiles down, squeeze this tube in between the tile grout like that. Make sure it gets nice and in there. Easy as that. Let that dry for half an hour, wipe it down with a sponge, and you've more or less re-grouted. So if you can operate a toothpaste, you can operate your re-grouting tube of grout stain. There is so many DIY things you can do. Obviously though, when it does come to plumbing and electrical, just be careful what you can do and what you can't do. So shower head, super easy to do. All you need is a shifter and some Teflon and you can change over your shower head. Again, one of those things that's really easy to do, makes a massive impact, especially in the shower. I'm big on my shower heads. So, as I said, you don't need a licensed plumber to do something like this. This is as easy as a couple of Allen keys and some Teflon, and you've pretty much given yourself a shower renovation, really. Like, how good's that? Double the outlet, double the shower of fun. Pretty easy. Mate, you know I love bathrooms. I'm absolutely wrapped with how this has come up.
It's actually come up mint. How good is this?
The cabinet. The cabinet is obviously that focal point of the whole room.
Yep.
We could have ripped the whole thing out, but we didn't. And the easy plumbing thing that you can do is just to change into the taps. Yep. So changed out all those old school taps, put some brand new brushed nickel ones on.
Yep.
Looks amazing.
And mate, how good does that shower head look?
Yeah, the shower head is really cool. And mate, funny enough, you actually don't need a plumber to install your shower head. Really easy DIY thing that you can do yourself. And now that matches all of our taps, which we got the plumber to sort out for us. So that is something you want to get sorted out by the plumber, is your taps. And then you can DIY your shower head. And that little grout cleaning, little squeezy thing, like little toothpaste tube, that worked a treat. It's come up fantastic. I'm wrapped with that. You know, it could be a massive job doing a DIY in a bathroom and you can make a mess. But, you know, a bit of a less is more type of focus and on a budget, I reckon we've maximised what we can do in this space. So well done, mate. Now, speaking of budgets, the space looks great. How does the budget look?
I thought we were going to cook it, but we didn't. We've come in under. Even added the styling items. Well done, mate.
Yep, so instead of doing those bigger things, we've done the smaller things, which has made a big impact.
Exactly right.
Love that, dude. Awesome, great. You're definitely always in charge of the budget, and I'll just keep doing things.
Done. What did you know?
Budget boy and do it, man.